Testing a lightning rod with a pointed lightning generator placed 38 centimeters above the tip of the lightning rod. 72,000 volts were applied to the rod and the strike produced a fire. Next, they tested the CMCE Lightning Suppressor with the same pointed lightning generator. They applied the max amount of volts, 140,000, to the CMCE device. A strike never occurs, but you can see the small streams of current making their way down the main conductor to the ground. This is the CMCE balancing the electrical field, effectively preventing lightning strikes.